Hi Jolie Chameleon family, it's Holly here. Today we're going to talk about how to find the right top piece. This is part one in a multi-part series so that we can do shorter videos instead of doing one big long one. So today I'm going to tell you the aspects that I'm going to cover, and then we'll cover the first two. So the four aspects that are the first and most important part to consider are the hair loss itself, the size, the attachment method, and the style desired by the person who's wearing it. So let's get started with the part one of the series. So the first consideration is actually the first two aspects. So that would be the hair loss factor and the size of the head factor. So hair loss and size of the head go together. There's a common misconception that top pieces are dependent on the size of the head, and that's true with wigs, but for top pieces, it's actually the amount of hair loss. So this is a 5x6 base, and this is a flexi top. So this is the Jolie flexi top. So when someone has a traditional female pattern baldness, they usually start to thin a little bit behind the hairline in an egg shape in the part, and it starts to thin and disperse out. So it's a lot different than like a male pattern baldness. So the size of the head itself matters only in so much that the amount of space is larger. You have more surface area on a larger head. Otherwise, really, it's only how much hair is thinning. So if someone is only thinning at the part and they have a good amount of hair on the sides, they will probably fit like a 5x6. So going to a consultant and saying, okay, so here's the dispersed area. This is where some support hair starts, where I have thicker hair on the sides. That's how much coverage I need. Someone with a lot of dispersion, or like an advanced hair loss, will probably need a bigger size. So it doesn't really matter if they have a very small head or a very large head, so much as how much hair is missing. So this is like an 8x10 size top X, which is another Jolie Chameleon top piece. So that's like a 3/4 size. So determining those factors is the starting point of determining what size and type of piece someone should need. This was part one of our two-part series on how to find the right top piece. Tomorrow we will discuss attachment methods and how to find the right style for the person who's going to wear it. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you with our next part tomorrow.